Hello friends, good afternoon. I am Jaysaha and today I will write with a pencil. It's a 4B pencil and how to write with this normal handwriting. How to start for the beginners. There are two kinds of stroke, one is up and the down. This is the up, this is the down. Okay, these are the two strokes for each and every alphabet. Okay, so when you will start the A, start from here, up, down, from here, up, down and up, like this. Let's write again, up, down, and like this. Give a gap here. Like this. You can also write like this. The second style of A, the B. This one is the basic B. Okay. See, like this. C. Okay, like this. Let's write the D. This one the second style. This will go here, not like this. As you can see, every part is oval shape. You can see the oval shape. I'm showing you. Try to do every part oval. You can see the B. I am marking with a red pen. Wait. Okay. This one is the first oval. Second, small oval. Fourth oval. If we join this, fifth oval. See, this one is the sixth oval. Seventh. Okay, all are oval shape. See this. This part, first oval. This part, second oval. This part, third oval. This small part, fourth oval. This part, if you join, it will be the fifth oval, and this big part, if you join it, sixth oval. If you join this, seventh oval. Okay, if you join this total one, eighth oval. That means all are oval shaped. Oval. Okay. If you see the D, this part, this one will go like oval. This also go oval. This part is also oval. Try to make the oval shapes on your alphabets. Okay. And now I'll write the last alphabet, the E. Practice it by seeing it. I'm writing it slowly upward. Make it like this. Small turn, bigger turn, and like this. Go like this. Okay, flourish like this. I'm writing it here again. Like this. Okay, it's also oval. It is also oval. It is also oval. This one is also oval. If you join this, it will also become oval. If you join this, it will also oval. That means oval shape is the most important thing in this writing. You see how it looks. I just wrote with a pencil. Okay, start with a pencil. Practice. Okay, then I will show you the next tutorial. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Namaste. Bye.